So I just had this teeth cleaning today with this new Erythritol technology, and I have to be honest with you, I will never go back. This is the most pleasant way of cleaning teeth that I have had in a long time, and I don't want to go back to the old system. Love it, love it, love it. Recommend it for anyone who has sensitivity or who's afraid of coming to the dentist.
I wanted to tell you about our new guided biofilm therapy that we're using here at Valley & Associates. It replaces traditional polishing by using air, water, and the amino acid glycine. We spray that on your teeth and it's able to remove all the plaque and biofilm above and below the gum line. When we clean the gum line area, it's also able to remove that plaque and bacteria off of your gum tissue as well. So we're able to clean more effectively and efficiently than ever before. It's also very gentle on your enamel, more gentle than the traditional polishing, so it helps to preserve that enamel and help your teeth last you a long time.